Hi guys and welcome to Khana Banana. My name is Sharma and in this video I'm gonna share with you the super easy and the super tasty recipe of soya fry. All we need are some of the ingredients to make this recipe and my family loves it. Everyone in your family would love it too. So firstly we need to soak our soya bean chunks. Take 75 grams of soya beans. Put it into a bowl. Then pour 2 glasses of water over the soya beans. Let it soak for 2 to 5 minutes and then just soften it up. Pan on, 3 tablespoons of oil. Drop in the soya bean chunks. Now put in salt as per your taste. Cook it in a low flame so that the soya bean gets crispy from outside. Four tablespoons of red sauce, one tablespoon of Kashmiri Lal Mirch. So the Kashmiri Lal Mirch gives you more of the color than the spiciness. So we are using Kashmiri Lal Mirch over here and not the red chili powder. Cook until the soya beans are nice brown and crispy. Take that out. And there you go, very simple and very tasty soya fry. Serve it along with the sliced onion and fresh coriander leaves. Do try this at home and let me know how it goes for you. Please hit the subscribe button for more of such videos, and if you like this video then give this video a thumbs up. Until next video, bye bye and thanks for watching.